Hello, in this tutorial we're going to continue to develop our website that we just created in the previous video. Wix is giving you the option to customize it using some prompts that they provide. You have the option to continue or skip. We'll go ahead and continue. So it's asking me, what do I want to call this website? We're just going to call it Technology Blog. Click continue. Next page, what are your goals for this site? We'll select collect leads, sell products, share knowledge, and promote a business. Click continue. Wix is giving you the option to integrate some apps like online store where you can sell products, find new products to sell, bookings. We can schedule appointments for clients, events, create events, tickets, track RSVPs. For this blog, I'm simply going to create blog to allow me to write posts, and then forums if I want to collect email leads. As you can see, there's various options here. There's video, music, Instagram feed. It really depends on what you want to do for your website. We'll click continue. You're all set.